Hello everyone. Let us solve the following. Show that cos 36 cos 54 minus sin 36 sin 54 is equal to 0. To show the required thing, we are using a simple trigonometric identity. Okay, so sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. We know this identity. Okay, so we can write sin 36 as sin 90 minus 54. Sin 36 as sin 90 minus 54. So sin 90 minus theta becomes cos theta. So it becomes cos 54. Sin 90 minus 54 becomes cos 54. So obviously sin 36 is nothing but cos 54 here. Right? And similarly, we can write sin 54 as sin 90 minus 36. Again, we are using the same identity. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So obviously sin 90 minus 36 becomes cos 36. Okay. So sin 54 is nothing but cos 36. Just we are substituting these values in the given equation here. Right. So what is given? Cos 36 cos 54 minus sin 36 sin 54. But we have converted sin 36 as cos 54 and sin 54 as cos 36. Okay, so sin 36 and sin 54 becomes cos 54 cos 36. That is nothing but cos 36 cos 54. So we need to find out the value of cos 36 cos 54 minus sin 36 sin 54. Okay, so how does it become? Cos 36 cos 54 minus sin 36 sin 54 is nothing but cos 36 cos 54. Okay, so obviously cos 36 cos 54 minus cos 36 cos 54 is equal to 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. So it is proved. Okay, so we have proved the given thing by converting sine values into cos values. We can solve it by converting cos values into sine values also. Let us do that. Okay, here also we are using simple trigonometric identities. What are they? Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. That's it. Now we are converting cos 36. How can we write cos 36? Cos 36 can be written as cos 90 minus 54. Okay, so cos 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. So cos 90 minus 54 becomes sin 54. Okay, that means cos 36 is equal to sin 54. Okay, and similarly, what can we write? Cos 54 as cos 90 minus 36. Okay, so cos 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. So cos 90 minus 36 becomes sin 36. So cos 54 is nothing but sin 36 here. Right? But what do we need to prove here? We need to prove cos 36 into cos 54 minus sin 36 into sin 54 as 0. But we have converted cos values into sin values. So obviously what can we write? Cos 36 into cos 54 is nothing but sin 54 into sin 36. Okay, that is nothing but sin 36 sin 54. Just we are substituting those values here. That's it. Okay, so therefore cos 36 cos 54 minus sin 36 sin 54 becomes sin 36 sin 54 minus sin 36 sin 54, which is nothing but 0. All the terms gets cancelled. Okay, so it is nothing but 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. It is proved. Okay, to prove this, just we have used two simple trigonometric identities. What are they? One is cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, and sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. We can prove in either way. Okay, right? Right. It's a simple problem. I Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.